Hello, crypto world. Sunday, midday in the United States, and it's already Monday in Asia. And crypto is green across the board. Now, it's not up radically and it's on like volume, but we know there had been a huge sell off starting on Friday and then Saturday and then part of Sunday in the morning. But here we are, green across the board, not up significantly, but basically the sell-off has either stopped or paused. Now, there's a couple of things I want to point out about that. The derivative market, Deribit, is the most important derivative market, and there are literally billions of dollars in notional value across these expirations. And you know what? Despite all the red we had, the maximum paying price for these expirations is never below 114,000 for Bitcoin and never higher than 116,000 for Bitcoin. So basically, this marketplace, dominated by whales, dominated by specialists, dominated by hedge funds, is not seeing a major sell-off or, I point out, a rally. And interestingly, the August 29th expiration maximum paying price is $115,000 with over $9 billion in notional value. So that says it all about what large participants in the market are now projecting will happen for the rest of the month of August. And just to state the perhaps obvious, the derivative market's not always correct in its predictions, but most often it is correct, and no matter what, it's revealing about what huge players believe. Now, I have to share this because this is remarkable. Trump Media Company, DJT, which is listed stock, has $2 billion of Bitcoin in its treasury, and that's just not Bitcoin, it's like stocks that own Bitcoin also. Plus, they bought $300 million worth of options on Bitcoin. That sends a message, if you ask me. And as we have that, we also have that despite this sell-off, a crypto whale bought 25,000 Ethereum. Bottom line, all the geopolitical things that forced the market down so bad in the equities and in crypto and had caused the dollar to rally so much are still in play. But over the weekend, this is the crypto-centric view, and what they basically did was sold off and then came back up and effectively were basically unchanged. Though on the week we're still very hit. Let's see what happens when we get more information with respect to tariffs. And particular tariff I'm watching is the deal between the United States and China, and I want to see if there's any repercussions for the placement of nuclear submarines close to Russia by the United States government. And finally, we can't ignore the fact that the President of the United States public company bought $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. It has $300 million worth of Bitcoin-related options. Pretty remarkable, huh?